3 only. Wait.
Shoot these 2. Shoot 2. Nice. Boom.
Get ready. Oh. Mac. Kill it. Nice shot. Wait, don't move. Kill it. Wait, Jade.
Mackenzie. Man. Shoot man.
Get ready. You're out? I'll back you up. Shoot it.
My gun didn't shoot.
Really?
Pardon?
Where'd the wedge go?
Wait, Mackenzie, get up. Mackenzie, aim at the wedge. Aim at the wedge out there. Where is it? Out the far east.
Oh yeah, is she there? Mackenzie, look, far decoys. See it? Her guns. He didn't get away. That's why is it doing that? Not okay. Did you see that?
That was funny.
Jade, shoot those. We gotta shoot those. Let's shoot those. Get ready. Get ready, Mac. And shoot them.
Fucking did it again.
Oh no, I shot backwards. Ah!
Is that bird going down?
Pull him in.
My gun's fucked.
Should have had that bird.
I shot once and then I didn't shoot again.
This bird might, I don't know what it's doing. We get the drake?
Yeah, they were both drakes.
Yeah, that's what I thought. Get ready.
Take him.
Oh my god. That one got hit.
Yeah, baby.
That one's
There's no way, Jades.
Yeah, baby.
Jade, start going. That one's done.
Yeah, baby.
Watch it. Slow and loaded. I think the GoPro's on. Drake. Oh, we got another one moving out here. Just a wedge smash. Nothing like it. Get ready to shoot, Mac. Wait.
Shoot him.
No way. I missed and missed.
Landon,
Yeah.
you wouldn't believe what just happened to me.
We should have waited on these things, John.
What?
Because it would have been right in here.
They were right here.
No, they weren't that close. How many did we get?
Anyways. 1, 2.
I saw 2. But one of them, like, I couldn't tell if I caught it.
I don't think I got one.
John.
I don't think I got
I
one.
went like this, Landon.
What?
I went like this, and I guess I left my safety off from last time.
Yeah.
I went like this,
And it shot.
and my finger hit it, and it shot.
I was wondering why you shot so quick there. That's not good.
Yeah.
Remember the safety?
That's why you gotta check the safety. Always. Yeah, my shooting was not good there. That's for sure. Wait. Get ready. Get ready. Shoot him. Another one. Where's the other one, Jades? Dude, they were one come like this. These things were like, oh my God.
What are they doing?
Jades, we shot right here. Oh no.
What?
Oh, I hope it just died.
No, there's a wing off of it.
Oh no, Jades, we shot the mojo. Oh no. No, I did it, I think, too.
Honestly, Landon,
I think.
They were right in front of the mojo.
Yeah.
but I almost did it. Like when you did it, I almost did it.
I wasn't thinking.
Feathers come flying off of it.
Yeah, I mean.
Where's the wing?
Thank God. Just need a wing. We're good. We're good.
Where is the wing?
Right there. It just hit the wing. That's it. Couple scrapes on her, but it's good. Hey? Is this thing on right now?
Yeah.
Okay. Well, I hit the mojo for the first time ever. Lucky duck. Wait. Mackie's coming right in. He's gonna come right in. Get ready for him, okay? Shoot him, shoot him. Right, Jades?
Good shot, Landon.
There we go.
He had
It was a ways out there, but I think he got a little bit spooked.
He was spooked for sure.
Yeah.
well, he got hit on one of those
Landon,
first shots.
I was shooting like this. Try aiming down. That.
Shoot that thing. Yeah. She just fell down.
Yes.
Oh my God.
Oh.
No way, man.
That's how much I was going for it.
Is that the hen? He's an absolute stud.
He's perfect.
He's perfect.
He's perfect. I'm mounting him. Like his neck's twisted.
He's
Yeah,
good.
but that's fine for mounting it.
Are you kidding me? He's prime.
Yeah. Look how sprigged out he is too.
Sprigged out. A few last kicks.
The wings, there's no damage. Nothing.
No.
That's okay. Look at.
Is he going on the wall?
Oh, is he ever? Double sprig.
Good stuff, Jades.
I think he's double sprig. Yeah.
Either way.
Wicked shot too.
Look at they just come out of nowhere, hey?
Pennies.
Yeah.
He's a little bit young, but he's just a beauty.
Yeah. Yeah, let's get ready for him again, I guess. Jades, Jades, Jades. Get ready, Jades. Wait. Jades, shoot those things. Shoot. Shoot them, Jades. Shoot them, Jades. Out here, out here. Right there. Right there. Nice. Who shot those?
He did.
Oh, it looked like you shot.
No.
Stone dead. Beauty, Jades.
Look at these things. They're just
Look at
beauties.
that. Pintail hen, pintail drake. How about that?
Yeah.
There's a duck. There's a duck to the right.
Oh yeah, yeah. Wait.
Hopefully that wasn't towards them.
No, I waited till it was here.
I'm sorry. Maybe I should have said shoot him.
Young pintail, Jades. Young drake.
Never shot so many pintails.
Right? Bill?
All hen.
Really?
Unlike-
They're a little ways out
unlike
there, hey?
Ducks are the decoys. What are you talking about?
Okay, now we stop shooting. How many we got here?
We can shoot 24, Landon.
15? Yeah, I know, we're good.
I think we have 19. Okay. Can you help me out with this?
I'm just gonna unload, Jays.
I can't, my gun.
Just unload your gun.
I'm loaded back. Hi, how are you?
Hi.
Good. Pretty good.
Sounds like it.
Yeah.
Slow this morning, but it's picked up now.
Nice. Well, I'm just here to check, make sure everything's good as good.
Yeah.
100%.
Shotguns are all just in there.
Yeah, we unloaded them too. We unloaded them.
Tommy coming from a little ways away.
Yeah, we did.
It was a speckle belly.
No.
That's a ringneck, yeah.
Oh, my uncle.
Okay, yeah.
Where do you think?
Yeah.
I mean, there's not many places to sled down here.
No, there's not.
I didn't know that you guys checked that stuff too.
We have a lot of stuff
A
that we
lot of
can
stuff.
check.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, they have the
Yeah, I'm just gonna make sure that they're plugged.
100%.
Yeah, I don't like that.
I don't
Well,
like
I know,
that.
I don't know what it's all
It's
about.
because it's so old, right?
Thank you.
It's newer. It's newer, but it's rusty.
You hear that?
Thank you. And then the bird.
Yes.
Yes.
I want to see. I haven't checked for even birds this year. So
Really?
Well, we got no mallards, but we got a little bit of a mixed bag. We got a spoonbill. We got some pintails, and we got Wigeon.
There's lots of pintails around, like lots.
Lots.
Well, that's ridiculous. I've never seen it like anything
We
like
haven't
this.
seen any mallards today.
So how many birds total?
Yeah.
19 between the three. Okay.
Yeah.
So you find having all the geese works for
For-
attracting ducks?
The Wigeon.
They
Wigeon
love
and-
it.
Wigeon and the pintails. People have often use goose calls to call in pintails,
Plus decoys.
plus decoys. Yeah.
I'm new to duck hunting.
You
so
are, eh?
Yeah.
It's kind of a interesting fact.
Well, this is what it like kind of looked like yesterday. The ducks were in with the geese, and it was just like this,
Yeah.
right?
You always want to, like, if you see them out in the field, you want to match what they're doing, or how they look, or what's out there.
Yeah.
Okay.
I'm shooting your gun, Jay.
Look at this. Remember, only 5 more. Look at this. Look at this. Out front. Out front. Look, we got 4 or 5 coming in. Get ready, Mac.
Yeah.
Get ready. Get ready. Pintails. Shoot them. You good, Mac?
2. Yeah.
Okay.
I got your phone. We got 2.
And-
I got that on video.
Look at, yeah. Shoot him.
so over Jayden, I felt bad.
Jades. Oh, I pulled my gun up and it.
No.
Look
I'm
at
in the blind.
Jades. I pulled my gun up and my action came back and opened. 3 only. Wait.
Shoot these two. Shoot two. Nice. Boom.
Keep going. Okay, so that was extremely. Did we already shoot one?
No, we
Wow.
can shoot one more.
Yeah. Okay.
I don't know why I was saying
You're
shoot
good.
2.
We need 3.
Oh, we need 3?
Yeah.
That's why I didn't. Yeah.
You're shooting into a huge
I
group.
shot into a group and that was bad.
I did too.
I'll admit to that big time.
Yeah, no, I know I shot and I was like, I really hope I didn't double.
I'm shaking.
Picked up 2 10s, 2 drakes.
I picked out a
one.
Drake.
Yeah, we each shot one.
Those did it better than any other flock that it, like.
Well, I was just like, shoot them. I couldn't say no.
Oh, you're right out of it.
Right there.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Look at.
Looking for the massacre back here. They came
Can we
in.
make sure? Like, are we certain?
Well, we're back at the house now. I don't know, a couple hours later now. About to clean the birds. A little bit of excitement with the game warden and whatnot.
Yeah.
You know, we had a good day. Look what you got going on, eh? Never really videoed us cleaning a duck. Just a best job. Some people won't like that.
Pretty much a 3-man limit today.
One off.
1 off, but could have made it happen. Just didn't connect. But
Yeah, we could have had had it, but
good.
it's all good.
it's all good. Made it happen. Slow morning, but ended up being good.
Like I said, yeah, they didn't.
Sometimes I think you're lying. But
I might as well do the outro at this point. They didn't fly till about what time? It had to be 10:30. And we were using the socks. We
layout.
socks and the layouts. Not that many socks. We just put them there just so we didn't look as, I don't know. Just thought it would help. I don't know. But I appreciate you guys watching this video.
Like,
We're gonna get to clean these ducks because this
Like.
guy's all over me.
subscribe.
Hit the like button if you like the video. Subscribe would help out a lot. This guy keeps throwing ducks, and we'll see you in the next one.